皆さんこんにちは。フランスラング博士です。And I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations in Japanese and in many other languages as well. For this character from the anime series, we have a German-inspired pronunciation and a standard English version. In German, it is
Bertholdt Hoover. Bertholdt Hoover.
Note that the first name in German ends with a hard t sound. In English, it is commonly pronounced Bertholdt Hoover. Bertholdt Hoover. Bertholdt Hoover. All right. If you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Find more on youpronounce.it. Tschüss.